Don't. Mm-hmm. So we're gonna set the opening range gap. And we'll look at that day. Sheesh. Mark that out on this one. Mark the week opening gap. Yep, that's a pretty big gap. Oh, 11, 4, console encroachment. Consequent encroachment of that gap range. That's set up. Open right now. Change this to the 4-hour real quick. Could measure out this candle right here and find the midpoint of that. We could just do the fair value. Let's see, this closed at 7, the 875. 875, but so you're reaching for this point. I'm pretty sure that's the mid of, whoops, the mid of a daily wick, right? This one. Good indication if we close above it. Have it first presented for value gap right here. Pretty big fair value gap, but it's close at 44.75, open at, so we gotta include the wick on this one. That's, if there's an imbalance right here, you have to include it when you're drawing out your fair value gaps. Just a reminder. Let me go on this one real quick. Just gonna mark out the London session real quick as a reference for where we're at. 2:25 in the morning. I don't know why I have it labeled as New York, but don't mind that. Never changed it. And the yeah, that's whatever. All right, got that on there. My bias for right now is bullish. I like to see this eventually get back up in this range. Probably not today, unless we have crazy volatility, but sometime. I will play off this fair value gap, I think, probably. Let's check the 1 hour, see what we looking like. Little fair value gap right here as well. So more support for this. We'll pay attention to the October 1st presented fair value gap right there too. See how we came up all the way right here, stopped basically on the tick of this new week opening gap, shot down. These ones was keep. Not sure what that one is. Keep that for now though. This is a very hot vacuum up there too. Shit took off. Yeah. Ooh. We gotta make we have to wait for this to do something manageable. Like if it runs out like that, I'm not interested to be honest. Sit in my hands for forever basically. I'll take a log off this for sure, ski. Is this a 40? So I can sell 4 contracts. Just prepared right now. Mm-mm. Now, if this turns into a fair value gap, say this like 5 minute candle reaches down here or something, and this consequent encroachment lined up with the first prevalence of fair value gap, that would be fire. That'd be golden. No cap. But I'm not demanding that. And also could get stopped out because of these relative equal lows right here. Um, and the new day, uh, the this right here, the opening range gap. I don't know, and this could be a Judas swing. So if it does end up closing down there, I'll use the first reference for value gap to go lower, most likely down here, which is cool. Cause this could just be a Judas swing. Come up, come back down. And you see how we stopped? See, I don't know if y'all remember, but I made this level before it opened for our value gap. Hit that consequent encroachment almost, but it's on the bottom side of it. So um that's a good sign. I mean, it's a good sign of like weakness in the market, I guess. But I'm not gonna take it too literal yet because this candle just started, but we could have sold right here. And I mean, this is really nice liquidity right here. So this could be a sick short. So I might wait to buy. I might sell actually. Because now looking at it, if this 4 hour candle closes like this, just outside here, and it goes down here, I'm pretty. You have to be able to be liquid with your buyers at first. Until the market shows you something else that's more valid, backed up by evidence that it's doing. You know what I mean? I was watching trades by Matt, and he has this like rule that he doesn't take a trade in the first 15 minutes. So I might copy off that a little bit. We'll see, unless he gives me something beautiful. Turn this back to the 5 minute. You can see that it did create a fair value gap, but it's pretty high, so it might not come back down and reach it. And a consequent encroachment, I would take a buy right here. And I think I want to see it reach this. I want to see it reach this and then shoot down. I think that would be more reasonable. You know, see that cat? She sleep. You know why she sleep? Because she didn't sleep all night, basically. She just annoyed the fuck out of me. OD. OD, OD. I like to see it spending time because I would prefer to trade in the macro, which gonna be here. Set this order in. Wants to tag me in, that'd be cool. If it don't, it is what it is. And if it does and I lose, it is what it is. This looks like a pretty good fair value gap. So if it could respect this fair value gap and still tag me in, that'd be beautiful. Um, that'd be really nice, yeah. I wish music wasn't copyright, bro. Otherwise, I would be banging this shit. Also, I only can trade, unfortunately, until 10 today because I have class. Just super shitty. But it's cool. It is what it is. Tomorrow I can trade longer. And it's fine. I don't need. It's good market conditions today. It's way less volatile than it has been these last few days. Like, bro, last week was the volatility was insane. Like that look, he made it like trading. Like it's fun trading volatility like that. It's also like super annoying because the moves are so big. Like I was catching 100 point trades every trade basically, risking like 20 points. But the only thing that really changes is you just have to manage your risk better, which is just calculating what you're actually risking. Wish I could buy like half a contract. I really like to see this. This is something I really like to see during this time, because like then when we hit the macro, that gives me and it tags me in or it doesn't tag me in, it's gonna move something during the macro. So it's either gonna take out those highs or lows wherever it's in. So it's like kind of, let's see if I can draw a little bit. Let's see if I got that maybe or not. Pause. So you see how it's like angling like that, and this is also getting like a little bit more. It's not like breaking down anything like crazy. It's kind of consolidating a little bit. If it could just do that and then boom, that'd be perfect. because this is where like bigger positions are getting into the trade. Really, this is where big ballers is coming in, just buying right here or selling whatever they think the market's gonna do. Just adding a bunch of positions basically, because you can't buy like these niggas is trading with 20, nah, probably hundreds of contracts. Um, and you can't just buy those all at one time. Like the market won't fill you at the same price. So like if it hits right here and they're selling, it's at like 20. Cause I go sell another 20, sell another 20. Feel me? I've been made my life on a yacht. Mm-mm, 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 mm-mm. All right, about in that macro. Nice candle will be in the macro. So see what happens. See, we're pretty heavy. See how we broke out? Literally time. Like you literally have to see the time. Feel me? Tag me in right there. Like, look at the time, bro. Exactly 9:50. Exactly start of the macro. It taps me. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Like just that, like just the fact that that is like what's happening is a dub for me. Like I'll take that. I'll take that. So I want to see if that respected the 5 minutes. Definitely didn't respect this one, but you can see it had a nice rejection off here. Minute. This is changes. Set the 5 minute. Less dense. That's what we're looking for. The 5 minute. If it could stay above consequent encroachment and not close below, that would be beautiful. That'd be very beautiful for bullish, which I am. And then I like the targets. I could have targeted the top, but I think I feel more comfortable targeting this one because it's 100 points and it's kind of like the first target. That's the first one. I'm trying, like, I used to take out a partial. I would have already taken out a partial right here, but I'm trying to take out a partial only when it hits my target or when it's 2x. So, see if it's 2x. This is 2x. If it hits that, I'm pretty confident it's gonna hit that. Which is 6, which is perfect. But if it doesn't, it doesn't. Because, for example, if I was trading with one contract, I would trade it right here. The only advantage of doing like 2x is that like once it hits 2x, then you're in profit. Even if you it comes down and stops you out, you still would have profited like 40 points, whatever, which is cool. It's just like since we're so close to those relative equal highs, I'm very confident it's gonna go a certain amount. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But it just looks like it's kind of like how I'm trying to trade is sticking to, you know, what I'm seeing. Balance. New 5 minute candle. Why are these candles so fat? Good. Now I have even more confidence because now you can see there's so many more relative equal highs. So even if it comes back down, touches the first presented for value gap, still very confident it's gonna sweep those because a lot of people are probably short up here. So there's a lot of probably buy stops that it could run out up here. But if it doesn't. It's just my model. And you kind of just have to trust your model and then roll with it, ride with it. Macro. I just think it's so cool how like literally boom on the macro touches me and like that gives me confidence that like I am seeing the market. I think that's kind of one of the hardest things is like believing what you're seeing. Like I know a lot of people be like won't believe it until they see it. But like even when you see something like this, it's hard to believe like that's actually like you're actually reading it. You know what I mean? Like it's actually happening. Because it's such a common misconception that this is like buying and selling pressure that's happening, but it's really not.